we have the colleges come into the school, and the students will pick, and then there's all of the local ones come in. It could be a 2-year school, it could be a 4-year, a technical, private, public, just so that they can get an understanding of every type that they could possibly go into. Here what we do, just like every school, with the SAT, if you're free reduced lunch, you're going to get free SAT to take. I always recommend don't take any more than 3 times, because then you're going to have to average the score. And then you get 4 fee waivers to pick 4 colleges that you can choose for free. This is going to set up for the rest of their lives, you know, and it's very important that I help them find out what they'd like to go for, and if they still can't find out, how to go about college so that you don't waste money. The way that you could get your best deal is your GPA, SAT scores, you know, extracurricular activities, the more involved you are. Right now it's not so much being involved in everything, it's being involved in something that you're really passionate about and you're good at.